Now we move the third page of our 13th lesson, the tale of Abdul Majhi here. So Abdul said that I caught here the leopard with his rough here. So at this point, I got a little worried and asked here. So here the listener here, the storyteller was a listener here, and he asked to the Abdul. He became nervous here. So he might be think that a leopard might be dead here. But Abdul said that Abdul, did the leopard die? Abdul reassure me. Well, how could he? It means Abdul wants to tell him that really the leopard was dead here, and even his father would not have been able to take him to the throes of death here. It means no one can protect him, or no one can save him in the in the hand of Abdul Majhi. It means when Abdul Majhi try his rope over him, that definitely leopard dead here. So no one can protect him, no one can save him in the hands of Abdul Majhi. So there was a high tide in the river. It means the level of tide was very high. So would one not have to come back to Pakurganj here? It means no one can come back here, Pakurganj. It means the level of water was too much high. The waves of water was too much high. So how to protect himself was one question here. So Abdul Majhi somehow protect himself, and I tie the leopard to my dinghy and use his weight to pull me through 100 mile here. So what happened here? So Abdul Majhi tie his dinghy. Abdul Majid tie his dinghy behind the leopard, and leopard was swimming here far away 100 mile, and Abdul Majid was sitting in a dinghy, and here the leopard was carry both the things here, dinghy as well as Abdul Majhi here. So here the leopard becomes slave here, and he has to, it means the leopard has to carry the weight of Abdul Majhi as well as the dinghy here. So I tie the leopards to my dinghy and use his weight to pull me through 100 mile. The moment he would start groaning, it means he get hurt here. The leopard got hurt, but here I would nudge him with my oar here. It means I give him some support here, and in an hours and half, it means after 1.5 hours, I could cross a distance worth 15 mile. It means in a half an hour, it means 1.5 hours, Abdul Majhi cross here 15 mile. It means when the leopard cannot carry the weight of Abdul Majhi and dinghy on that time, he used his hand, or he somehow manage, he help leopard here to move smoothly in a Padma river here. So somehow they have crossed here 15 mile. Now if you want to know what happened after that, I would really not be able to answer here. It means Abdul Majid tell to a storyteller that I don't know what happened then after. I am really sorry. I cannot show the further story here. It means the story end here. I see here. I see well. Then now you have told me about a leopard. Then what about a crocodile here? It means the storyteller tell to Abdul Majhi, because Abdul Majhi has to faces the leopard as well as crocodile here, because in that river there was one crocodile here. So what happened here, crocodile, and during the times of tide, the fish, the turtle, the crocodile, the reptile, and such a more animals who lives in the water, so they came out upper size, upper position here. So here what happened to the crocodile here? Abdul reply here, I have seen his nose popping out of the river many times here. It means in that river there was one crocodile here, and the crocodile try to popping out. It means he was looking outside. He do here crocodile up his mouth nose here, and on the sloping back of the river when you see a crocodile warming itself on the sand here, it means the crocodile can live on both the inside the water as well as in a sand here, it means on a land masses here. So crocodile can able to live in both the both the way, it means in water, inside the water, as well as on a land. So here the crocodile was warming to take the warm, it was take the sunbird here outside on the sand. It does seem that it is guffling in a rather ugly way, and he was laughing here, and ugly way he is lying here on the sand, and I would have fought him. It means I would have fought him, and I wants to fought. It means I wants to fight with him. I had a gun, but the license had gotten over a long while back. It means I have to face the fight with the crocodile. I have to fight with the crocodile. I had a gun. I have gun, and I can shoot him with my gun, but I have no license. We know that the each and every person can take the gun with him. For that, we have to take the license here. We can say that if we wants to ride a bicycle, drive a car, bus, luxury truck, so we need the license first. We have to take the license, then after we are able to drive this thing. Otherwise it is unlegally we are driving our vehicle here. So policemen also need license, then after they can take with them license here. So he say here, Abdul Majid say here, I have a gun, I can use this gun to shoot the crocodile, but here the license had gotten over a long while back. It means the due date here, it means the period of license was over. License need renew period is there here. It means we have to renew our license after few years, or 4 or 5 years after. So here the license date was over. So at something interesting happened here, but I wants to kill to the crocodile, but somehow the work is done by other people here. It means what happened here, we can see here. One day Kanchi, a nomad girl here, Kanchi, the names of one little girl, it means the name of this girl is Kanchi, and she is nomad girl. It means she live here and their surrounding area in a jungle. We can say that this is a nomad girl here who lives in a jungle. So was sitting by the river chiseling a bamboo pole with a sickle here. It means bamboo tree, and he was chiseling it. She is doing here. She is working here, chiseling a bamboo pole. It means she make the sharpen here bamboo stick with the sickle. A kid was tied beside her here. It means a kid, the child of God here. Kid was tied beside her, and from nowhere did the crocodile come and pull at the leg of the kid here. It means she don't know. See, the Kanchi was don't know, and somehow from which direction the crocodile came there and drag here the little god into river here. But when the girls knew, the girl jumped onto the back of the crocodile and sat on it. But when the girls came to know, when the voice of the god, she came to know that the crocodiles came there and dragged the little girl. So fastly he jumped, the nomad girl Kanchi jumped and sat on the crocodile, and she used her sickle to scrape up the neck of the reptile over and again here. It means she was hurting here. She fight with the crocodile with his with his sickle, and she was cutting. She was trying to cut his his neck here. So she was scraping of the neck, and the crocodile let go and killed and dive into the waters here. It means the crocodile somehow tried to let the kid. It means the crocodile uh, blown out. The crocodile blown out the kid from his from her mouth here, and I ask here, and then what happened after that? And Abdul said here, the news of the thereafter has sunk deep into the water of the river, and fishing it out would take some time indeed here. It means I asked, and then what happened after that? It means two animals were killed here in Padma River. Crocodile was also dead, and leopard also dead here. So what happened? What happened after that? Abdul said, the news of the thereafter has sunk deep into the water of the river. This means the news of these animals killed by, and the fisherman has to face such a dangerous animal in a Padma River. This dangerous news was spread in that area. So fishing it out would take some time indeed. It means the fishing was starting after over here. So this is the story of Abdul Majhi, and he used to tell to storyteller his adventure story here. He tried to make this story here, and he told two story here, one leopard story and other the nomad girl Kanchi story here, nomad girl Kanchi, and he tried to face the crocodile. Here Abdul wants to tell, I can able to kill two crocodile, but I have no license. I have license, but the renew period is there. So I have to got the new license. Then after I can able to kill two crocodile. I can, but I have no license. So I let him to go. But this work, the killing of crocodile is done by nomad girl Kanchi, and here Kanchi save here the little kid here from the crocodiles here. Okay, thank you.